Here's a quick look at the market for Tuesday, May the 12th, 2009, through the eyes of eMiniDayTrader. This video, of course, is just a shortened version of what we post on our website for our members each day, which has several more charts and a lot more detail, and usually lasts around 20 minutes. This video usually lasts about 5. So here's today's market profile and volume profile, and here's yesterday's. And right here we have the overnight session. And so we were mentioning yesterday that quite possibly the market could get down. We had mentioned the 901 area and also the 894 area right in here, which turned out actually to be today's low, as possible support areas, in the sense that the market could get down there and possibly find some support, because our view was still that on an intraday or longer time frame basis, the market is still in an up auction. And so really just wanted to see if the kind of selling that was evident yesterday would follow through today. It actually had a bit of a bounce overnight and then sold off in the day session, so not a huge bounce yesterday. You can see right here the market closed right here and then bounced to here overnight, and obviously this was the low overnight, and then we had this good sell-off early in the day with a late rally of some, I think it was about 12 or more points, maybe even more than that. A good strong rally to finish off the day. Taking a look at the individual profiles, you can see here where it came down to some of the support areas that we had anticipated and then had that strong bounce. So we're really looking around today's high 913 or so, 914, and then up about 915 really as key resistance areas right now, with possible support around the 903 area, and then even a little bit lower, perhaps down to 898 or so. So those are the immediate areas that we're looking for, with leaning once again towards an upward move in the market. As far as our trades were concerned today, we did not have a lot of trades, just kind of the way it worked out. We had our first trade was actually once the market had bottomed out here. We got long once it broke out right here. Unfortunately, it went sideways for about 10 minutes, so we ended up with a break even on that trade. It started to move up, gave a bit of a dip, and then the next rally was quite nice. So we did get short up in here. It did hit our first objective, almost our second, so we actually ended up with a break even on that trade. And then the third trade of the day was when the market broke down in here. It had a nice move down here that we were able to participate in. So sometimes we're making trades even against the intraday basis when we have good setups on an intraday basis, and that's really what happened today. So so that's just a quick look at the market. We do think it wants to head higher, and of course the area that we had been up to recently, in the 900 plus area, is obviously key resistance, but the immediate ones would be around 913.5 and then 915. So that's a quick look at the market, including our upward bias of the market for Tuesday, May the 12th, 2009.